Alright, sorry for
I'm
that.
gonna put it to 9 minutes.
I'm using a really ghetto webcam that decides to stop after 10 minutes, and I don't pay attention to timers. So, yeah.
Jelly, you're breaking up really badly.
See, this is what happens. I have the crappiest computer, and I have to record. Literally, I am recording using a potato.
This is beautiful.
Hannah, your microphone sucks.
Jelly, if we're going to record, you're gonna need to get.
Oh my god, Camilla, did you just jump off with
I
me?
should, but
No.
no.
Oh, that was.
For Christmas. Wow, you went through me before. What are you doing?
You're breaking up really badly.
Shut up.
Yeah, wait, are we recording?
It is only over Skype.
Okay.
Unless it is everything okay. That made no
Even on everyone else's Skype, Jelly, you're recording badly.
Oh my god, I cannot. I am lagging so much. Literally, I cannot steer myself. Oh my god, I need to be the lightning rod. I can suicide bomb.
It's
Wait,
meteors.
should somebody else record next time or something?
Alright, maybe.
Me recording will be a nightmare.
I think we should stop at like.
I can't
15
punch
minutes
in
or so.
anything.
We should
Neither
stop
can I.
I don't have a mic with headphones. Oh, it's Blizzard.
Oh my god.
I don't have a mic
Wait,
as
wasn't
well.
there thunder strikes though? Darn. I want to be lightning rod. That's sad.
I need to like buy a pair or get some for like Christmas, which is like how many months away?
Oh, that guy's on fire. That makes sense.
What?
That guy was on
I can
fire.
probably ask for one for my
We can't
birthday.
hear you.
Be quiet, okay?
What?
Oh, well, I'm dead. Rest in peace, me.
Alright, I think I'm gonna end the recording
Hello?
now because
I
I
am
am
dead.
recording off of a potato.
Guess what, guys?
You know,
What?
What?
I got followed by the person I followed.
nice. Alright,
I got
guys,
followed
it's
by the
time to say
person
bye.
who
So,
what?
salutations. It is time to say bye.
Oh. Fine.
Bye. Hello,
Bye.
everyone.
Bye.
What?